today I'm going to take you through a warm-up for soul singers. This is going to help you to develop that nice smooth tone and that softer timbre. So before we dive in, remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get all of my future videos, and dive into my past videos because I've got something here for everyone. And if you are really serious about singing, I do recommend that you take my free 5-day singing course. All you need to do is to go to the pinned comment or the description, click the link there, put your details in of course, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So, soul singing. I'm not going to explain a lot about soul singing. I do have a free tutorial which takes you through more of the details of soul singing. So I'm going to put that in the description for you as well. So let's dive in. Of course, we always start with a lip bubble. So if you've never done a lip bubble before, we purse our lips and blow through the top. And let's sing. To tongue trills. We're going to sing 5, 6, 7 and sing is kind of like a yawn, but we add a sigh on the end. Oh, so it's got that full, round, darker, more soulful tone. I'd love to say it without using the word soulful, but you know what I mean. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Keep going. And make sure you're sliding, not jumping. Now we're going to keep that same feeling, that same yawny, sigh feeling, but now we're going to use the word whoa. And we're going to sing whoa. And we're going to avoid going into full head voice as much as we can, okay? So here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Not shouting. Sliding. Back down. Last one. Okay, the next exercise, we're going to keep that same feeling and we're going to practice vowels. So we're going, the sounds are R, E, O, U. And it sounds like this. R, E, O, U. It's a little bit like choral singing, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and R, E, O, O, E, O, O, E, O. This is going to help your vocal control. back down. To get too dark. So don't let the sound drop to down here like you're swallowing the sound. Don't swallow the sound. So following on from that, we're going to keep the same sound. We're going to keep that sound actually throughout the rest of the video. We're going to practice vibrato. So there are a lot of singers who aren't quite doing it right. They're doing it in their throat and causing tension. So this is the best way that I know to help you with nice, loose, rolling vibrato that you can add and take away at will. So the sound is and it's like the Cowardly Lion in The Wizard of Oz, if you've ever seen The Wizard of Oz. If you haven't, go back and check him out. And it's a diaphragmatic vibrato. So you may not be able to do it as fast as I am at the beginning, but keep training it every day and soon you will be able to. So it's P with a P for peanut, okay? Okay, the last exercise that we're going to do is good for your agility. So this is going to help with those riffs, runs and melisma that we love in soul music. So we're going to use the same vocal sound that we've been using throughout the video, and we're going to sing to this pattern. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, and. Keep going. Last one. If you do this every day, incorporate it into your routine, then you are going to develop that nice, smooth, full, rounded, soulful sound. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Give us a like, comment on which of the exercises you enjoyed the most, and I will see you in the next video. I'll see you very soon. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!